Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Noga WiFi Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Now firstly, plug your Noga Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet. Choose a power outlet that is close to your Wi-Fi router for the initial setup. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid. Allow the extender to finish booting before proceeding. Avoid plugging the extender into a power strip during setup if possible. Now locate the WPS button on the router. Most routers have the WPS button on the back panel, on the side or near the reset button. Press it once. Some routers require holding the button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS LED will begin blinking. This blinking indicates the router is searching for compatible wireless devices. You usually have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Noga Wi-Fi extender. Hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds. Release the button. The WPS indicator will begin flashing while the extender attempts to pair with the router. Do not unplug the extender or press any buttons during this process. The connection process generally takes 30 seconds up to 2 minutes. During pairing, WPS LED flashes, wireless LED may blink or signal LED may flash. Once connected successfully, WPS LED becomes solid, signal LED lights up, or Wi-Fi LED remains steady. Your extender has now copied Wi-Fi network name, SSID, wireless password or security settings. After successful pairing, the repeater creates an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name usually appears as your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name repeater. The password will be the same as your main router password. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between the router and the weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.